Naresh, coming to you, wanted to know your BTST ideas for our viewers.
So first would be a buy on NMDC, seeing good momentum out here based on breakout done about 67, stop loss at 66, target price of 70. Second is a buy on Canara Bank, has seen a large correction showing reversal signs today. Stop loss at 87, target price of 92.
All right, Kunal, over to you. What are your BTST ideas?
I'll go with the one Tata Steel, something which I've been bullish on over the last few days. Looks attractive for a target of 145. Stop loss now could be trailed high to 133 for traders who are looking at a fresh buy. And the second would be a buy on Chambal Fertilizers, a stock which I think is on the verge of a breakout. 575 could be a BTST target, stop loss at 540.
Just looking at the market construct, auto is definitely under pressure, but only selectively. There's Maruti, which is down, but on the flip side, there's M&M and Tata Motors, which are still holding out. HDFC Bank going home weak. It's down a good almost 2% in fact in trade. Bharti, ITC, Sun Pharma, ICICI Bank, Kotak, they're all a sea of red. In fact, on that note, I'll thank Kunal and Naresh as well for joining in on the show, and I'm going to hand it over to Snehi for the closing trades.
Well, absolutely. Let's take a look at how the markets have shaped up in today's trading session. And range bound is the word that we are going to use for the Nifty today, because it's largely been stuck in the 100-point range that we've seen today. Remember, at one point of the trading day, we were struggling to hold on to the 22,800 mark. 22,812 is the precise level of the day's lowest point. From there, we've recovered a good 100 points. So not all that bad for the Nifty today, but nonetheless, we're trading with a slight negative bias when it comes to the Nifty. And the 20-point cut on an intraday basis is what the Nifty is indicating. Sensex, however, slightly deeper cut coming in on that front, 0.3% cut coming in on the Sensex right now, so that's something that's looking weak. Nifty Bank continues its weak performance. It's been down and out over the course of the trading day and is still there, no recovery on that front. 0.5%, slightly more than 0.5% cut coming in on the Nifty Bank in today's trading session. The advance decline ratio is looking healthy today. The tilt is towards the advances today, so that's at least looking good. And on the back of that, let's pull up the India VIX, because that is something that is acted very fabulously over the course of today's trading day. 4.5% lower. Remember, yesterday we were at the 16 level. Now we've come down to 14.7 thereabouts. Looking very healthy for the India VIX right now. Let's also pull up the broader markets, because they've done the majority, or rather all the heavy lifting when it comes to the market today. Nifty mid-cap, very sharp uptick coming in. A 1.2% uptick coming in on Nifty mid-cap, and small cap continues to be the outperformer of the benchmarks today. A 1.3% almost uptick coming in on small cap index today as well. So while the benchmarks are slightly under pressure, it's the broader markets that have done all the work for the markets today. In terms of Nifty 50 gainers, like Asha was mentioning, Shriram Finance, NTPC, M&M, BEL, Adani Ports, Trent, Hindalco, all of them trading with gains of more than 2%. On the flip side, what has caused Nifty to remain in this range throughout the day today has been HDFC Bank, a 2.2% cut coming in on that stock. Maruti Suzuki under pressure, Tech Mahindra, Tata Consumers, HCL Tech, ITC, ICICI Bank. All of them trading with cuts of anywhere between 1 and 2.5%. But let's take a look at some sectoral winners and losers in today's trading session. It's been the day of the metals, because the metal pack has been shining bright today. Almost a 2% uptick coming in. Nalco, NMDC, Steel, Vedanta, all of these stocks have done well today. Followed by Nifty Energy, PSU Banks, Auto and Realty. On the flip side, what did not do well today was the Pharma, IT, as well as the FMCG index that was largely flat. A couple of newsmakers in today's trading session on the back of some brokerage note. Morgan Stanley on chemicals like PI Industries, SRF, Naveen Fluorine, Tata Chemicals, all of these stocks were in focus. A real winner in today's trade was NHPC on the back of a very brokerage note coming in from CLSA. So that stock was looking good today. It's been upgraded to a high conviction, outperformed target price of 117. NHPC up 7% in today's trade. On the flip side, UBS on Bajaj Finance, poor note coming in. That stock was lower. Tata Power has been upgraded to hold from reduce by HSBC, so that stock was doing well. IGL, one of the last stocks that we want to mention, that also did very well on the back of a Jefferies note coming in, and IGL was also went home with some good gains of about 5%. But on that note, we'll wrap it up on today's edition of Closing Trades, and this is how we've ended the day. Nifty around the 22,900 level, struggling to be there, but nonetheless 23,000 still seems quite far away for the Nifty.